Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with our patterns. We have a wide variety of patterns on our website where you can download them. Then you will receive a PDF file which you have to open with Adobe Reader. If you don't have a large format printer, you have to go to the print menu and choose poster and add cut marks. When you print the file, you will have something like this. You can see the cut marks here. We recommend to always cut the bottom cut mark and the right side, and then you will be able to align all these different pieces into one pattern. So now all the pieces have been cut and we can align them using the cut marks like this. And then use some tape. And we work our way down here. You see all the lines, they are in one piece now. So once you've glued all the different pieces together, you have one single piece, and now you can cut out the individual shapes and patterns and then use them for your foam. So that's what we'll do now. So now you have something like this. Now it's time to transfer this pattern onto the foam. We'll use a pen or a marker. When you use a pen, don't push too hard. If you do like this, you will damage the foam. After you cut this, you will still see this damage. So you have to avoid this. Once you've drawn your pattern onto the foam, it's time to cut. Make sure that you cut on the inside of the line, otherwise you will still see your lines on the foam. For straight lines, always use a metal ruler. If you have to make more than one hat, you can use this piece as your pattern. It's easier to draw your lines because the foam is thicker than the paper. We strongly recommend to use a pen or a marker. Don't cut immediately using your pattern, because After a few times you will cut in your pattern and it will be unusable. If you want to save some time, you can also make this pattern in wood or in plastic. Then you can cut your pattern without drawing the lines first. It will save you lots of time. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.